Navigating the stadium, giving directions in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting and educational video for you. We're going to learn how to give and understand directions in English while exploring a stadium. This video is perfect for 10th grade high school students or anyone looking to improve their English conversation skills. So, let's get started. Segment 1, Stadium Overview. First, let's familiarize ourselves with the stadium layout. This will make giving and understanding directions easier. Here we are at the stadium entrance. Take a look at the map behind me. It shows various key locations within the stadium. Segment 2, Basic Expressions. Before we dive into giving directions, let's learn some basic expressions. 1. Turn left. 2. Turn right. 3. Go straight ahead. 4. It's on your left or right. Remember these expressions, they will come in handy. Segment 3, Giving Directions. Now, I'll demonstrate how to give directions with the help of our volunteer. Let's say our friend is looking for the restroom. Excuse me, where's the restroom? Volunteer, oh, it's easy. Go straight ahead and turn left, and you'll find it on your right. Great job. Now, let's switch roles. Segment 4, Understanding Directions. Host, understanding directions is just as important. Let's practice that. Volunteer, can you tell me where the concession stand is? Host, of course. Turn right, and you'll see it on your left. Host, see, it's all about using the expressions we learned earlier. Segment 5, Interactive Quiz. Host, time for a quick quiz to test your knowledge. I'll ask a question, and you can pause the video to think before answering. 1. How do you get to the main entrance from here? 2. Where is the VIP seating area? Segment 6, Exploring the Stadium. Now that we've learned how to give and understand directions, let's explore the stadium. We'll use our newfound skills to find various locations. Segment 7, Conclusion. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to give and understand directions in English while exploring the stadium. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. And don't forget to practice what you've learned. Thank you for joining us today. We'll be back with more exciting content soon. Until then, keep practicing your English, and see you next time.